Spika Amason mar Seneta Amason Kingi olanda yanga ni lemo mar Seneta mogwel Gloria Orwoba koro odong nono tok ka duond bura mar UDA noriembo Seneta no. UDA nyoriembo Orwoba bang' nenore ayanga ko yuoro nyasi mar romo ne Dr. Fred Matiang'i kancho wuok loka. To kata kamano doho mamalo to chalo ka gima noduoko ne muya bang' wito kum ma UDA nyochomiye.
The Secretary General of the United Democratic Alliance, UDA, party wrote to the Speaker of the Senate, notifying the Speaker of the Senate that nominated Senator Gloria Orwoba has been expelled from the party. But the same letter, the Secretary General of UDA further notified the Speaker of the Senate that the said nominated senator ceased to be a UDA nominee to the Senate. In the same letter, the Secretary General also requested the Speaker of the Senate to issue a declaration of a vacancy of the seat being held by Senator Gloria Orwoba. I have notified the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, and the political party concerned of the vacancy arising in the office of a member of the Senate elected under Article 98(1)(b) of the Constitution. The Senate is accordingly notified. Thank you.
And on the issue of Dr. Fred Matiang'i, I come from a community. We have social events. How many people have you seen going for social events? Where the social events are bipartisan. A homecoming is bipartisan.